So that update essentially, as you heard, just allowing the robotics team to continue the alignment of the common berthing mechanism of the Cygnus spacecraft with the common berthing mechanism to tilt it slightly. So they'll just be working and tweaking this alignment until they get their alignment mechanism signals, which are ready to latch indicators. This is Mission Control Houston. We have confirmation of second stage capture, 8:26 a.m. Central Time, as the International Space Station flies 252 statute miles above Niger, Central Africa, as it heads northeasterly across the continent, approaching the Mediterranean Sea, and an orbital sunset in about 12 minutes. The Cygnus now has arrived at the station. We'd like to welcome back to the space station orbital ATK and Cygnus, as it is firmly berthed now to the nadir port, the Earth-facing port of the Unity module, having launched this past Sunday afternoon, captured at 5:19 this morning Central Time, 6:18 a.m. Eastern Time, and now berthed officially at 8:26 a.m.